Ajay Chandra, and I'm going to perform an experiment on LDR characteristics. This experiment is based on light, and the LDR is a sensor which can regulate the resistance of itself by focusing on the light on itself. So the apparatus required is one continuously variable DC regulator power supply, which is approximately of 0 to 3.5 volt at its maximum peak, and LDR is a sensor which is made by placing a photosensitive zigzag wire, which is a sensor in itself. It can absorb light and change its variable resistance. And the third component is a voltmeter and an ammeter. Voltmeter is required for fixing a particular voltage at which we are measuring the experiment, and the corresponding currents will be noted down as a result. So this is a scale, and this is a scale on scale. So the basic principle of this experiment is that we focus the light on the LDR, and the LDR changes its resistance, which increases or decreases the particular current at a fixed voltage. So the theory is that if V equal to IR, then I is inversely proportional to R at a particular voltage, but the resistance, as I said, is inversely proportional to the intensity of light, because if we increase the light, then the resistance will decrease and the current will increase. So intensity is dependent on distance from the source, which is in inverse relation of it. So resistance is directly proportional to the distance square. Distance is basically the distance from the source and the LDR. Source is the light which we use as a mobile phone as a flashlight. Now if we focus the light on the LDR, then we can see that at a particular voltage the current can be displayed on the right hand side. If we focus the voltage at 0.5 volts, so we get the approximate value of 0.5 volts as 0.48. We can see that if we place the source at the distance of 5 cm from the LDR, then the corresponding current is 0.06 microampere. We note that reading 0.06 milliampere. We wrote that reading in our notebook and move on to the next distance voltage. At a particular voltage. Now the distance is increased to 10 centimeter. We can see that the current has decreased from 0.03 to 0.02 milliampere. This is in the relation of 1 upon current is proportional to distance square. So now we take the readings at different positions from the source, 5 centimeter each, and given 6 points we have a scale drawn in the desk, so we can easily focus a light on the LDR. So we can take 3-4 readings from the source, and we can see that the current has decreased to approximately 0 milliampere. If we further increase the current, then it can approximate to be 0.0 milliampere. Further on, we can change the voltage to new variables such as 0.08 and with 0.88. Now we take the readings again at this voltage. We can see that the current has automatically increased to the given voltage from the previous one because of the relation I equal to V upon R. As we increase the voltage, the current will increase. Now we can further take the readings from the same analogy of the previous voltage at the different points on the scale lines, and note down the current readings and the distance from the source. Now for the observation of the experiment, we have set at the voltage at 0.08, and we can note that the current is 0.10 milliampere. So we can write the current as 0.10 milliampere, at a distance of, we can see that the distance is 5 centimeter from the source, so distance can be written as 5 centimeter. We can calculate the resistance as R equal to 0.88 upon 0.1 into 10 to the power minus 3. So we can calculate the resistance from the given formula. Next we put the source at a distance of 10 centimeter from the LDR, and we note that the current is 0.05 milliampere. We note down the current reading as 0.05 milliampere corresponding to distance of 10 centimeter. We can calculate the resistance in the similar process we have did before, as V R equal to V upon I. V is 0.88 upon 0.05 into 10 to the power minus 3. Next we take the reading at 15 centimeter from the source, and we see that the current has decreased to 0.02 milliampere. The distance from the source is 15 centimeter, so the resistance will be 0.88 upon 0.02 into 10 to the power minus 3 ohms. So the last distance is 20 centimeter from the source. We see that the current has almost decreased to 0.01 milliampere at a distance of 20 centimeter, and the resistance will be 0.88 upon 0.1 into 10 to the power minus 3 milliamperes. So plotting these values, we get the following structure in the graph. We see that as we increase the distance, the resistance increases exponentially, and this is the y-axis in the resistance in kilo ohms, and x-axis is the distance in centimeters.